Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 10 minutes, so I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy at 170, so I'm watching that number over there, and I want to see that drop down to 170, and then for this white line here to turn green. And if that white line turns green, that means I have been able to buy. So white means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. So we'll see if I can get closer to that 170 number or not. I will pause for now. Have an order at 165, not filling me, so I'm going to cancel that out. Try 160 instead. And not filling me at 1. Let's go to 155. Maybe got a little too conservative on that. I was right, that blue line did want to push the price down. But yeah, I got a little too conservative on my attempted entry point. But it is 9:36, so there's still, market's been open 6 minutes. Plenty of time left. So I can always try again. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm at 162. Try 155 instead. I'll pause. All right, gonna try for put here at 160. Well, it's close for a moment. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 170. Or at least try for a put at 170. Nope, I was too late. Now it's coming down. To go to 160 at this point. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try at 170 here, and I got that at 170. What put that is. And out for 500 on that one. Very good. I hit record, right? Okay, I did hit record. All right, I'll pause. Let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 160. Not filling me there. Maybe I should still be at 160. Yeah, probably should have stayed at 160. Now, would I have been filled? I don't know, because I was trying at 160. It wasn't filling me, so there's still no evidence that I would have been filled per se. But if we just concede that, yeah, if I would have waited another 3 seconds, I would have been filled, and yeah, that would have been a great trade. But that's all in the world of unicorns and butterflies at this point. Wait, butterflies exist, unicorns and leprechauns. So, yeah, I don't know. Do I try again, though, at 160? I will pause and I'll think about it. All right, don't know if I'll get filled here, but I'm going to throw out one for 160. Well, no, I need to stay disciplined. I'm looking for that line up there. So yeah, somewhat far away, but if this thing really gets moving, then I don't think it's as far away as what may appear right now. And I'm glad I did not do that. See, good example there of what just good enough. Those two words, very famous. Good enough. Had I gotten in there, now, I'm not saying it wouldn't have been a winning trade, but I would have went underwater immediately on it. And as it comes back down, looking like I would have been fine. But still, that goes to show when you start to say, that's good enough, you can put yourself in some less than desirable situations. All right, I will pause. All right, it's almost 11. I'm just going to call it for the day. I was hoping I could get one more, but just could not quite get filled. But all things considered, $500 in 90 minutes. That is my goal. I like to at least get 500. Ideally more than that. So that's where there's a little bit of disappointment, but still putting myself back in the world of reality. I'm not sure if many, I would never, let me put it this way. I would never think about going up to somebody that makes $50 per hour and be like, you know, I made $500 in 90 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. That would make me sound like the most ungrateful, greedy savage ever. So yes, in kind of the, you know, my little personal goal world, a little disappointed, but within quote unquote the real world, $500 in 90 minutes, I will take it. Nothing to scoff at. So hopefully you enjoyed. As always, if you want to learn more about options, comment below option guide and I will link that to you. And if you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Hey Clay, how can I help out the channel? I don't have any money to spend. Totally fine. Hitting that subscribe button is a way that you can help out and support the channel, and it costs you absolutely nothing other than the microsecond it takes for you to hit that subscribe button. So thanks for watching. Like I said, comment down below option guide if you want to learn more about options.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.